are going to review punctuation today. We have 3 types of punctuation that go at the end of our sentences. And I think we need a bit more practice knowing where everything goes. So, a period is used at the end of a telling sentence. If you are telling somebody something, a period. Very simple. My dog is brown, period. I like to play soccer, period. We are going to eat lunch, period. You use a question mark at the end of an asking sentence. So if you are asking something like, what are you doing? When is lunch? And who is ready to go? Those need a question mark because you're asking. Exclamation point is used at the end of an exciting sentence. It can be exciting in a good way, like, great job. Or it could be exciting in a bad way, like, watch out! Either way, you're talking with excitement. So then you would put an exclamation point. But no matter what, every sentence has to have punctuation because it tells the reader to stop. If you don't tell the reader to stop, they'll just keep going and going and going. Okay? So let's do a sort. I have questions, sentences will go here. Exclamation or exclamatory sentences go here. And sentences that are telling with a period go here. We're going to start with, where did you go on vacation? Where? I'm asking somebody, where? So asking sentence. The next one, she is taking a nap in her room. That's just a telling. Next, watch out! Exclamatory. We are going to Chick-fil-A for lunch. That's a telling sentence. Are you ready to leave? Where does this one go? Yep, with question. Can I help you? Where does it go? Yep, you're asking a question. My favorite food is pizza. That's a telling. Great job! Where does it go? Yeah, with excitement. We are carving pumpkins for Halloween. Yep, that goes with telling. Where does this one go? Happy birthday! Yeah, with excitement. Where's this one go? Be careful! Yep. Oh! Hey, you guys, if this ever happens to you, this little thingy right here turns it back around. Woo! I did all kinds of stuff. Hold on. Be careful goes there. Who is going on the field trip? Yep, that one goes here. So 2 rules for Miss Lawler. Always finish with punctuation and make sure it's the right punctuation. A period is telling. A question mark is asking. An exclamation point is exciting.